Don't speak if it's not who you are.
Start by slicing the avocado in half, removing the pit, and scooping out the flesh into a bowl. Mash the avocado using a fork until you reach your desired level of creaminess. Add salt, pepper, and lemon juice to taste. Mix well to combine the flavors. In a heated pan, add small amount of butter. Toast the slices of bread to your desired level of crispiness. Now let's cook the egg. Bring a pot or pan of water to a gentle simmer. Carefully add the egg. Let them cook for about 3 to 5 minutes for a soft-boiled egg. With a runny yolk, adjust the cooking time if you prefer your eggs differently. Now it's time to assemble your avocado toast. Spread the mashed avocado generously on the toasted bread. Place the egg on top of the avocado. Finish by sprinkling a bit more salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of red pepper over the eggs for added flavor. Serve your delicious avocado toast with egg immediately and enjoy. Feel free to customize your avocado toast with additional toppings like cherry tomatoes, red pepper flakes, or a sprinkle of feta cheese for extra flavor and texture. Enjoy your meal. This recipe offers a satisfying and healthy way to start your day with a flavorful breakfast. If you enjoy this delightful avocado toast with egg recipe, we'd greatly appreciate your support. Please consider sharing it with friends, giving it a thumbs up, and subscribing for more tasty recipes. Your support means a lot to us.